row has now erupted after Tamil Nadu government decided to open cinema halls to 100% capacity. The state government's decision is coming after superstar Vijay, whose movie Master is scheduled to be released on 13th of January, met with Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy on 27th of December. Sources say that Vijay requested Chief Minister EPS to increase the seating capacity from 50, to 100%. A slew of Tamil movies like Mara, Master, Iswaran are slated to be released around Pongal. Congress MP Karthi Chidambaram has hit out at the AIADMK government, saying that the decision to reopen theatres was taken on the basis of special interests and not on the basis of health concerns.
This decision to allow theatres to function with full capacity is baffling. When the whole world is still grappling with this pandemic and masks and social distancing are still the norm, for the government to allow theatres goes against all medical advice.
This kind of a situation we never faced. Last 1 year we have struggling actually. We have closed, no movies were released. We have lost a lot of money. We have to maintain certain things for a month also. So every month we have struggled. But at last the government has given 100% permission, accommodation permission. We thank our Chief Minister for giving this valuable permission, which is most essential right now in the film industry.
Pramod Madhav is now joining us live for the latest. Pramod, what does the administration in Tamil Nadu say about opening theatres up to 100% capacity when the world is still battling the pandemic?
Not just the world, Tamil Nadu is still battling and grappling towards trying to control the pandemic, and that's the reason the state did not allow any kind of celebration for New Year. Even on 16th of January, we have a function called as a festival called as Kanum Pongal, where people would gather every year in local areas. That has also been in that day, people will not be allowed to actually venture into beaches. Such kind of steps are being taken by the state government to make sure that the pandemic is under control. Even now, we are reporting a minimum of 900 cases per day, and of that 250 plus cases are from Chennai. And this is where several questions are being actually put forward to the state government, because how come the state decided to increase the percentage of sitting capacity in theatres to 100% at this condition? Now the state claims that they went ahead, discussed with a medical team and various officials, and only decided to go ahead. But one of the important person in that medical team called as Prabdeep Kaur, she herself tweeted that this decision is not appropriate, and in a closed space with with not proper air flowing inside and out, it is not wise to keep the theatres with 100% seating at this time and hour.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Pramod, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.